Alright, now, I'm just uploading this video right now to my channel. Um, Now, guys, may not check out my channel. Y'all never did check out my channel. Let me turn this down. Um, please check out this channel. Please, whoever's watching this, please watch this because, I need some people to entertain. Because I can entertain you very quick. I can do vlogs. I can do every type of things that you can't do. You can do what I can do. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, I want to entertain you guys with uh, more things, like Call of Duty. I'll do that Call of Duty gameplay today. I'll do everything. I'll make you get a Call of Duty gameplay. I'll give you, just leave it in the just put in the subscribe button. When you hit that subscribe button, I will give you more videos. I feel so. I'm not happy by the way that I don't get subscribers, but it doesn't matter. I just wanted to entertain you guys with videos, cause this is I just joined YouTube April 22, 2015. And that's not too long ago. I just joined 1 year ago, so all my videos is from a year ago, and some of my videos that I uploaded to YouTube was 2016. So yes, I will be on YouTube forever, just to entertain you guys. All I care about is you guys. Did that early. I run early. Wow, I just smacked my head. Alright, there we go. Now, guys, just keep hitting that like button. Just hit that like button. And when you hit that like button thing, I will give you more gameplays. Not Subway Surfer. I'm not giving you Subway Surfer. I'm giving you not football because I don't have football. Call of Duty Ghosts. Call GTA 5, Lego Marvel, superheroes. Just leave a like button. Anything that you want me to play, and I will give it to you as soon as possible. And I will do updates. I will do updates in whatever game console coming out, Xbox 2, anything. I'll do Call of Duty Infinite Warfare coming out, anything that make you see vlogs. I will not do much vlogs because I quit vlogs now. Y'all saw vlogs on my channel, so y'all will not see my vlogs. It's just blush vlogs where my people on my bus just talking to you. It's crazy, y'all. They just talking to you. But I created, they have the tablet. They have, it's supposed to be, I'm supposed to be holding it, but they actually wanted to hold it, so they don't have YouTube. They don't have a YouTube channel, just to let you know. I don't have Twitter, Facebook, I don't have Instagram. thing. I don't have that. I don't have Instagram. Yes, I don't have Instagram. Let me turn this down. I don't have Instagram. That's what I'm telling you now. I don't have all that kinds of stuff. I don't have Twitter. I don't have that. So I will have it. I don't know when, but I'm only 10 years old, so I only have games that I like. Y'all said that Call of Duty Ghosts sucks. It sucked a little bit. It sucked a little bit. It wasn't that quite a good a game because the maps. I like the campaign though, but it's just because the maps. It was the horrible maps thing, kind of thing. Yeah, the maps. It was the maps. Um, and all these professional YouTubers out here that I like, they're good. I am not professional yet. I'm not a professional yet. It'll take me about like a long time. It's gonna take me like about a year or so, a year or so. So yeah. Um, I'll do all those gameplays, campaigns, multiple players, anything you want. I can't do. I'll have wrestling. I'm about to get wrestling. I'm getting NBA 2K17 when that comes out. I'll do basketball uploads. Probably I'll do basketball uploads, boxing uploads, like UFC uploads, like boxing. And y'all heard about Brock Lesnar returning. I'm pretty excited for UFC 200. But I don't know who is his opponent, so yes, we don't know. But anyway, this is just my first gaming. I think this is my first gaming I ever uploaded. I think this is my first gaming I ever uploaded because I'm a gamer and I didn't upload it to you guys. So I'm about to end this off. Um, Peace, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Since I'll upload videos today and tomorrow for you guys. And peace.